Did you know your dog's joints crave fun workouts? Meet Get Pettin's 12 essential dog joint exercises. Watch as pups leap, stretch, and wiggle with joy. These moves are easy, perfect for any breed or age. Surprise, even senior dogs love these gentle routines. No fancy gear, just you, your dog, and some space. Each exercise targets flexibility, strength, and mobility. Wave goodbye to stiff joints and sluggish walks. Innovative routines designed by canine health experts. Keep your furry friend active for years to come. Ready for happy, healthy joints? Try Get Pettin today.